We're just a few days away from the iPhone SE launch, and it's finally set to make its grand entrance on February 19th. But here's the kicker. There's talk that it might come with a brand new name, iPhone 16e. Yep, according to insider Mark Gurman, the classic SE branding might be a thing of the past. Recently, Tim Cook posted on X, saying, "Meet the newest member of the family." He also mentioned the release date, February 19th. According to recent leaks, this might not even be an iPhone SE anymore. Instead, all signs point to a full-blown rebrand. Apple could be ditching the SE name entirely. So what's actually going on here? Buckle up, because this is not your typical budget iPhone update. For years, the iPhone SE has been that affordable option, the one for people who just wanted a simple iPhone without dropping a fortune. But let's be real. That last SE, it looked like something straight out of 2017. Chunky bezels, that tiny screen, the home button. It was a nostalgia trip, sure, but exciting? Not so much. Well, Apple finally got the memo. This new version is ditching the old school look and going all in on modern design. Imagine an SE that actually looks like it belongs in 2025. We're talking 6.1-inch OLED display. No more tiny LCD. Edge-to-edge design. Bye-bye. Bezels. Face ID. Yep, the home button is officially dead. USB-C, because even Apple had to admit Lightning's time was up. Basically, this thing looks just like an iPhone 14. But that's just the beginning. Now, here's where things get really interesting. This isn't just a facelift. It's got serious power under the hood. Apple is throwing in the A18 chip, the same one from the iPhone 16 lineup. That means near flagship performance at a way lower price. And with 8 GB of RAM plus Apple's new AI-powered features, Apple Intelligence, anyone? This thing is shaping up to be a legit powerhouse. And battery life? Looking solid. While we don't have exact numbers yet, leaks suggest it'll be close to the iPhone 16's 3,561 mAh battery, which means a full day of use without stress. Apple is finally ditching that old 12-megapixel camera. Instead, we're getting a single 48-megapixel sensor. No ultra-wide, no telephoto. But with improved low-light performance and AI-powered enhancements, this is a huge step up for budget iPhones. Imagine iPhone 16-level photos, but without the flagship price tag. Wait, so the SE is gone? This is the big question. If Apple really calls this the iPhone 16e, does that mean the SE lineup is officially dead? For years, SE meant budget iPhone with an old design. But this is something else. It looks modern, it's got top-tier performance, and it's launching right alongside the iPhone 16 lineup. So, is it still an SE, or is Apple just making budget iPhones part of the main lineup now? What do you think? Personally, I think this is the biggest shakeup in the budget iPhone lineup ever. But I want to hear from you. Do you like this new direction, or should Apple have kept the classic SE identity? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, February 19th is coming up fast, so if you don't want to miss any last-minute leaks or full coverage when this thing drops, hit that subscribe button. More Apple updates, more tech news, and I'll see you in the next one. Yow.